How to play Vita Mahjong. Mahjong is a relaxing yet strategic tile matching puzzle. And here's how beginners can play Vita Mahjong step by step. So, match identical tiles to clear the board. Only tiles that are free, meaning not blocked or on both sides, can be selected. Begin by clearing tiles from the edges and top players. This unlocks more moves and prevents dead ends. If stuck, use the hint button to highlight matches. Shuffle rearranges tiles when no moves remain, but use it wisely. You earn points for matches, combos, and speed. Perfect game without hints or undos gives the highest multiplier. Plan moves ahead, avoid rushing, and save hints for tough spots. This builds skills and maximizes your score. Vita Mahjong is a beginner-friendly, relaxing, and strategic game, so focus on freeing tiles smartly and you'll improve quickly.